Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial on GitLab. Till now, in our last video, we saw that what is GitLab, and in this video, we'll be starting configuring a GitLab runner. Before that, we'll see what is a runner. What are runners? So runners are basically lightweighted agents which pick our CI jobs. So in our CI/CD pipeline, we have multiple stages. So the stages are the jobs that we need to execute so that we can build our artifact and deploy it on server. So runners are those agents which will pick those jobs and will execute the shell command to build and deploy. Once the runner picks the job, it returns the result back to the GitLab instance. Now we can configure runner in multiple ways. We can either configure it to only stick to one particular project, or we can configure it so that it can pick any job from any other project. So how many type of runners do we have? So we have basically three types of runners. First is shared runner, then we have specific runner, and then we have group runners. Let's see what these runners are individually. So first we have shared runners. So as the name specified, shared runners are the runners which are available to all the projects in our repository. So essentially we use shared runners with those projects which have similar kind of requirement. Shared runners consume the pipeline minutes. So every account gets 400 minutes in which they can run their shared runners free of cost. And after exceeding 4000 minutes, you have to pay a premium amount. Okay, so let's see in our GitLab console where we can find these shared runners. So this is my GitLab account. This is the project that we created, my first project. If on the left hand side I go to settings, and in settings I go to CI/CD. So these are all the options and categories that I get in CI/CD. These are the settings that I can change. So under these, if I go to runners, so here if you see, runners are processes that pick up and execute CI/CD jobs for GitLab. I will expand these, and on the right hand side you can see shared runners. So the runners are shared across this GitLab account. So these shared runners are run in autoscale mode so that there is less waiting time to pick up the jobs, and you get 200 CI minutes per month, and after that you have to pay a premium amount. So by default we are getting 15 shared runners, and each of them come with different tags as you see, and they give a toggle button. If you don't want to use shared runners, you can just click here and you can disable these automatic runners. And now if it is disabled, your jobs will not be automatically picked by these public runners. So for time being we are going to keep it as active. So that's all for this lecture. In our next lecture we will go and create a GitLab CI YAML file which will trigger this CI/CD pipeline, and we will see how GitLab runner picks the job and executes it. And if you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you all in my next video.